In one of the hottest places on Earth, the ground itself looks alive. Bright yellow pools bubble beneath the burning sun. Thick clouds of toxic gas rise from cracks in the earth. The ground glows with strange shades of green, orange, and neon yellow. From a distance, the landscape looks less like Earth and more like another planet. Many scientists say this place is the closest thing we have to an alien world on our own planet. This is the Danakil Depression. Located in northeastern Ethiopia, the Danakil Depression is one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Temperatures here regularly exceed 45 degrees Celsius. The air is dry, heavy, and filled with volcanic gases. Standing here for long periods can quickly become dangerous. Yet despite the brutal heat, scientists and explorers travel here every year. They come to study one of the strangest geological landscapes on the planet. The Danakil Depression sits within a region known as the Sulfur Triangle. This area is one of the few places on Earth where three tectonic plates meet. The African plate is slowly splitting apart here. As these plates move away from each other, the Earth's crust becomes thinner. Deep beneath the surface, molten rock begins to rise. Over thousands and millions of years, this process has shaped the landscape into something extraordinary. Volcanoes form. Lava fields spread across the ground. Hot springs push mineral-rich water to the surface. The result is a landscape filled with vivid colors and strange formations. The ground itself looks almost unreal. Pools of bright sulfur shimmer in the sunlight. Minerals stain the rocks in yellow, green, red, and orange. Steam rises constantly from cracks in the earth. And in some places, the ground is so thin that boiling water lies just beneath the surface. The most famous area of the Danakil Depression is a geothermal field called Dalol. Dalol is known for its spectacular mineral formations. It is often described as one of the most colorful places on Earth. But behind the beauty lies an environment that is incredibly dangerous. For centuries, this region remained largely unknown to the outside world. The Afar people have lived in this harsh landscape for generations. They are known for their resilience and deep knowledge of the desert. Despite the extreme heat and volcanic terrain, they travel across the region with camel caravans. Their main trade is salt. The Danakil Depression contains vast salt flats, created by ancient seas that once covered the region. Workers cut large blocks of salt from the ground using simple tools. These blocks are then loaded onto camels and transported across long desert routes. This salt trade has existed for hundreds of years. It remains one of the most physically demanding forms of labor in the world. Workers spend long hours under the scorching sun. Temperatures can reach levels that make physical work extremely dangerous. Yet this traditional trade continues today. But the natural environment of the Danakil Depression presents dangers beyond the extreme heat. Volcanic gases constantly escape from the ground. These gases include sulfur dioxide and hydrogen sulfide. In high concentrations, these gases can be toxic to humans. Breathing the air in some areas can cause dizziness or nausea. Another danger lies beneath the colorful surface of the geothermal fields. The thin crust covering the ground can suddenly collapse. Beneath it may lie boiling acidic water. A single misstep can lead to severe burns. Because of these hazards, exploring the region requires experienced guides and careful planning. Even scientists studying the area must take extreme precautions. Protective equipment is often required when working near active geothermal vents. Despite these dangers, the Danakil Depression continues to attract researchers from around the world. The Danakil Depression is also home to one of the most fascinating volcanoes on Earth. This volcano is called Erta Ale. Erta Ale contains a rare feature known as a lava lake. Inside the volcano's crater, molten lava bubbles continuously. Lava lakes are extremely rare. Only a few exist anywhere on the planet. At night, the glowing lava creates an incredible sight. The orange light illuminates the surrounding desert. Visitors standing near the crater can feel the intense heat rising from the lava below. But the volcano is not just visually spectacular. It is also scientifically important. Erta Ale sits directly above a region where tectonic plates are pulling apart. As the crust stretches, magma rises from deep inside the Earth. This magma feeds the lava lake inside the volcano. Scientists study Erta to better understand how new ocean basins form. Millions of years from now, the Afar Triangle may eventually split apart completely. If that happens, seawater could flood the region. The Danakil Depression might one day become part of a new ocean. The geothermal pools in Dalol also provide valuable scientific information. The colorful mineral deposits form when superheated. Water rises from underground chambers. As the water reaches the surface, it cools and releases minerals. These minerals create the strange colors seen across the landscape. Some of the pools are extremely acidic. Their chemical composition is so extreme that very few organisms can survive there. However, scientists have discovered certain microorganisms living in nearby environments. These organisms are known as extremophils. They are capable of surviving conditions that would kill most forms of life. Studying these microorganisms helps scientists understand how life adapts to extreme environments. This research may even provide clues about life on other planets. Standing in the Danakil Depression feels like stepping into another world. The landscape is unlike anything most people have ever seen. Bright mineral pools shimmer in the sunlight. Steam rises from volcanic vents. The ground crackles with geothermal activity. Everywhere you look, the colors seem almost impossible. Yellow sulfur deposits glow against dark volcanic rock. Green and turquoise pools reflect the sky above. The air carries the sharp smell of minerals and volcanic gases. The experience is both beautiful and unsettling. It is easy to understand why many scientists compare this place to alien landscapes. Few places on Earth reveal the raw power of geology so clearly. The Danakil Depression reminds us that our planet is still changing. Deep beneath the surface, powerful forces continue shaping the world around us. Volcanoes erupt. Continents move. New landscapes slowly emerge. And in places like this, we can witness those processes in real time. Although the environment is harsh and dangerous, it also holds incredible scientific value. Every new discovery helps scientists understand more about our planet. It also challenges our assumptions about where life can survive. Even in places that seem hostile and lifeless, nature often finds ways to adapt. The Danakil Depression stands as a powerful reminder of Earth's diversity. From frozen glaciers to boiling volcanic deserts, our planet contains environments that seem almost impossible. Yet they exist side by side on the same world. And landscapes like this continue to inspire curiosity, exploration, and discovery. Our world is still full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Subscribe for more stories from around the world.